CCP Mayor Rohit Monserrat on Wednesday stated that there were no major flooding issues reported in Panjim despite heavy rainfall. Addressing safety concerns, the mayor informed that out of 350 dangerous trees identified in the city, only 150 remain to be trimmed or cut. He added that the corporation has coordinated with Goa Engineering College, GEC, which has provided a list of around 20 structurally dangerous buildings requiring attention.
The monsoon, we are ready for Panjim.
Nothing happened in Panjim, you've seen Mapsa.
No, wait. And what about the dangerous trees, buildings and trees?
See that full list of buildings now we've spoken to GC. I'll give you that full list of all the surveys that have been done. Now trees, Forest Department had given us a list of some 350 trees. So there are some 100 or something that are still left pruning and all. So that the teams are active throughout the day. See, last time yesterday it rained, there was no major issue anyway also. It's only in that Miramar Circle. There's one drain estimate that is being prepared through PWD for that drain from Miramar Circle till Bal Bhavan. So that should reduce all the flooding in the Stella Marie area also. Apart from that, there is no major. Rego Bar also, I've called somebody from PWD now to check and see what the issue, what we can do over here. Here there is some minor thing because that drain got clogged. Apart from that, Panjim was okay, there was no issue yesterday.
You told just now the 303, it is from the Panjim or around?
Only Panjim, only Panjim.
Only Panjim.
Only Panjim. See, last time that girl passed away,
Yes.
those roots were cut and the tree was unstable and it fell. So we had asked the Forest Department to conduct a survey of all the trees. I think only Altin escaped, they were doing that. So out of all those trees, around say 150 are left to be cut, something like that. So that my teams are doing, are getting it done throughout the day.
And what about those buildings, dangerous buildings?
The buildings also, that full list of GSE has sent a report to all of us. Now we're going to act on this thing. That list, full list is with me. I'll give it.
How many?
Oh, there were some 20 or something buildings over there.
In the Panjim.
In Panjim.
Okay.
Pre-monsoon work तुमचे काबार झाले का?
Pre-monsoon was okay. So it rained yesterday, there was no issue. No. So as and when, see, yesterday was a good trial for us also. Now we know that there were no major issues, so we are working on whatever the clogged areas and everything. So there should not be a problem.
Like, subscribe and get notified.